And now we're going to hit the nature trail. This is 1 mile of rugged trail. Beautiful stream crossing to start you out. And of course now we're getting into the rocky bluff stuff here. Beautiful. Boy, that goes back in here quite a ways. Really awesome back in here. Beautiful sights here on the nature trail, Giant City State Park. What do you say, guys? I think I should get to the top of that. So, we're gonna go up here and do it somehow. Take the easy route for now because still a little sore from a 12-mile hike yesterday. But we did it. I'm on top of the world. This is a great walking path, nice and wide, and of course gravel, so it's very easy to walk. You get some uphill, downhill, but mostly the beautiful views of the rocks, which is what makes the nature trail the nature trail. Pretty cool. Just love being out here exploring this stuff. It is absolutely gorgeous. Nice bridge set up to take you along the rocks here.
I had a tripod set up here.
This is where they had the blocked off.
Yeah, you need to go that way.
Blocked off for what?
Snake hibernation.
Oh. Awesome. The nature trail is that way. Huh. Look how nice their penmanship was in stone. I mean, look at that. That looks just awesome. From 1878. Wow.
I think this has got me confused.
Let's check this out. See what this is all about. Just beautiful sights all the way around. And a lot of these trails out here at Giant City actually intertwine with the River to River Trail. And the River to River Trail goes from the Ohio River across southern Illinois to the Mississippi River. So you can actually get parts of Giant City State Park on your River to River tour. Oh, get to go up these stairs here. They actually have some benches. Take a rest. Beautiful lookout spot. And that is the nature trail out here at Giant City State Park. So, thank you again for watching Hitting the Trail with Cletus. If you haven't already, please subscribe right up here. And for more excellent biking and hiking videos, click right down here.